Yes guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is all about my GoPro Hero 11 and my Google Pixel 7 Pro photography. This is an amazing phone for photography, and we know all about the GoPro. You guys know how I love shooting with a GoPro. Obviously we know it's not a photography camera, but 27 megapixels raw shooting, so why not shoot with it? So we're going to compare the two. Again, you can shoot raw with the Google Pixel 7 as well, so we're going to get some shots. I'm literally in London by Waterloo Bridge. We're going to get some shots around. I'm going to make this quick. Just going to do a quick comparison, and yeah, let's go. So guys, as you can see, I'm on Waterloo Bridge. I don't know if you guys can see the sunset, and we've got an hour to sunset. I've got my GoPro Hero 11 and the Google Pixel 7 phone, and we are gonna shoot, compare, and see what we get. So let me just give you guys a quick tour. So we've got Big Ben, the London Eye there to our right, and then we've got St. Paul's this side, I guess, to our left, depends which way we're looking at it, and Sky Gardens. So we're going to try and get some shots of both. I'm going to get one shot here, in fact, of from this view here. So like I said, I'm shooting on a wide angle lens on the phone, just because that's the only lens that I can shoot on with the GoPro. So get that one more. So making sure this fence isn't in the way. So I'm going to definitely do some cropping on that one in post, but I'll put them on screen now. Another shot here. This time I am going to shoot landscape mode. So I'll put those both on screen now. It's so windy, so I hope you guys can hear me.
Which one has the great charge?
So guys, as you can see, I'm on the other side of the bridge now. It was just over there, and now we're on this side where Big Ben is, the London Eye, still the River Thames below us, and we'll get some shots from here. So we're going to go wide again. You know, we're going to get some of the fence in, but that's cool. Same thing now, GoPro. And I'll put the best ones on screen now. So guys, I'm in the South Bank area now. I hope you can hear me because there's loads of music going on. I'm gonna get a few pictures from here. As you can see, we've got the London Eye in front of us. We've got Big Ben. No, we'll get a picture of this snog frozen yogurt. So I'm on the widest angle lens. I know there are people in the shop, but we're gonna get there anyway. Guys, one shot I'm gonna try and get is a reflection. You guys know me, I love my reflections, so I'm gonna reflect literally just here. I wanted to get some of the London Eye, but it's not gonna work. I'll wait for these guys to go by and then I'll try and get this reflection shot. Same thing with the phone. I'm waiting for everyone to go by. Screen wise it looks so much better on the phone, but you know, just waiting for... That looks really cool actually. Then we're gonna wait for them to go by. In fact, that actually looks really cool. And I'll put the best ones on screen now. So guys, as you can see, I am right in front or behind the London Eye, and I'm gonna get a shot here with both. Ideally there'll be no one there, there'll be no cars, there'll be no people, but that's gonna be impossible, so we're gonna get the shot anyway. As soon as this car goes, I'm gonna let me try and get level with that. I'm gonna get the shot anyway. I'll go again. In fact, I'm gonna shoot up as well. And same again with the phone. I'll go on the wider angle lens. So I'll wait for this bus to go by, shoot slightly up, and I'll put the best one on screen now. Alright guys, there's one more place I want to check out, and then I'll finish up. Yeah. But guys, if you're enjoying this, please like, please share, please subscribe. Please check out another video. I've got an iPhone versus GoPro video out as well. Check that out. Remember, it's photography only. And yeah, let's do this. So yes guys, I'm literally by Big Ben. I'm gonna get a few shots from here and then probably call it a night. But I'll show you what I capture now.